Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we learn how to check whether one number is divisible by another using JavaScript. This check is commonly used in mathematical operations, loop conditions, and number validation. Let's explore a simple and efficient way to determine if a number is evenly divisible by another. In JavaScript, we can check if a number is divisible by another using the modulo operator. If a modulo b is strictly equal to 0, it means that a is perfectly divisible by 0 without any remainder. This means the method works for all numeric values, including 0. This function works by computing the remainder using the modulo operator. If the dividend modulo divisor is strictly equal to 0, the function returns true. However, dividing by 0 is not allowed, so we add an extra check to prevent division by 0 errors. This function ensures that only valid decision cases are checked. The modulo operator helps us quickly determine if a number is evenly divisible by another, while avoiding division errors. This function correctly identifies divisible numbers, while also handling special cases like 0 and division by 0 errors. It provides a simple yet robust solution for checking divisibility in JavaScript. This function is useful in loops, game mechanics, financial calculations, and scheduling algorithms. Many real-world applications rely on checking divisibility to make decisions dynamically. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to check if a number is evenly divisible by another using the modulo operator. This method is widely used in math operations, game logic, and financial calculations. Try using it in your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.